Hello, welcome to this video. It's about the algebra. We are to simplify square root of 150 plus square root of 25 divided by square root of 150 minus square root of 25. So square root of 25 is 5, both in the numerator and in the denominator. 150 can be written as 6 times 25, and on the denominator also 150 is 6 times 25. So what we are going to do, we are going to distribute the root on 6 and on 25, both in the numerator and on the denominator. So distributing the root, we shall obtain root 6 times root 25 plus 5 divided by root 6 times minus 5. Square root of 25 is 5 and the square root of 25 is 5. So writing that, we shall have, note that here we square root of 25 is 5 on the numerator and the square root of 25 is 5 on the denominator. So since 5 is common, we factorize it to the other side so that we be left with in bracket square root of 6 plus 1 divided by 5 into bracket square root of 6 minus 1. So this 5 can cancel out like that, so that on the numerator we shall be left with the root of 6 plus 1, and on the denominator we shall be left with the root of 6 minus 1. Since the question requires us to simplify, so to simplify this further, we are going to rationalize the denominator by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by conjugate of root 6 minus 1, which is root 6 plus 1. Note that multiplying the numerator by root of 6 plus 1, dividing by the denominator with the root of 6 plus 1, which is the conjugate of root of 6 minus 1, does not affect our equation. So to simplify the numerator and the denominator, we are going to apply the following two identities. So on the numerator, we shall make use of this part, bracket of a plus b multiplied by bracket of a plus b. The result is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So we shall transform this part to become like the right hand side, and on the denominator we shall use this identity, which will become a squared minus b squared, so that we obtain. So in our case, our a is root of 6, so we square it as per this identity. Our a is root of 6 and our b is 1. Then we add 1 squared on the denominator. As you can see here, our a is root of 6 and our b is 1. So root of 6 squared will be 6. 2 times root of 6 times 1 is 2 root of 6 plus 1. So 1 squared is 1. Root of 6 squared is 6. 2 times root of 6 times 1 is 2 root of 6. Root of 6 squared is 6. 1 squared is 1. So on the numerator, you have 6 plus 1, which is 7, plus 2 root 6. And on the denominator, you start have 6 minus 1, which is 5. So we have 7 plus 2 root of 6 divided by 5, which can be further simplified to obtain. So our final simplification is 7 over 5 plus 2 root of 6 over 5. So that is the simplification possible, which you could have by following those steps from the given equation. Remember, you can subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever there is a new release for us, so that we may learn together. Remember also, you can share any other procedure which you can use to simplify this sand equation on the comment below. You are supposed to simplify root of 150 plus root of 25 divided by root of 150 minus root of 25, and you have to leave your answer in sand form. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.